Yeah, what's up guys, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be revealing to you two sites that you can use to start learning how to trade forex, even as a beginner. If you are completely new or you're completely new to the market, you don't know anything about forex, you can use these two sites I'm going to show you to start learning how to trade forex. Now the first one is actually a very popular one, meanwhile the second one is actually the one I use to get some information and to get some insights on how the forex market works. Now for me it was a little bit easier because I was already trading crypto, which I'm still trading, as you all know. So but with time and with consistency and also trying out some of the things you're going to learn from the site, you will be on your way to becoming a forex trader, just like I developed myself to become as well. So guys, if you are new to this channel, please give us a thumbs up, make sure to like this video, share, and also comment. Tell me what you think about this video. Now the links to those sites, they are right there below this video in the description. And don't forget guys, also to join our Telegram channel where we share trade updates and also information on cryptocurrency and also forex, and help you make money, and we all make money together as a team. So guys, let's head over to the first site, and also make sure to check other of our videos we have on this channel and see other ways you can also earn money on. And also make sure to subscribe, because we're also dropping we'll drop trade updates and a whole lot of bunch of stuff that help you make money on this channel, so you want to subscribe to that as well. Now the first site is the one which is very popular as well, which is called babypips. Now babypips is actually a very good place you can learn how to trade forex. If you come to their site right here, link below this video, you see that you have a lot of things you can do on this website. You can also learn about crypto stuff like that, though I think they're still working on that as well. You can learn how to trade forex and take some quiz and stuff like that. Now if you scroll down, you see right here you can start the course over here, but before you do that, make sure you do sign up with them. It is free, you don't need to pay anything. So what they basically do here is that they break down forex to you, the technical analysis, trading patterns and stuff like that. It might take some time to understand, but you might want to go over the course over and over again to really understand what they are trying to tell you, especially if you are new to trading forex. Now you can also take quiz after that and sharpen up what you've learned so far, and be sure that okay, you're actually ready to hit the market. And also they also have forex glossary, where you get acquainted with the forex terms, like when it says spread, all the commissions and all those things you hear in the forex world, you get to understand what those things mean. So this are some of the things you can get from those websites, and it's actually very cool. A lot of people use those babies pips, though I did not use this, but it's very popular, and also it has a lot of value in it as well. Now the second one I want to show you, because I don't want this video to be very long, is FX Academy, Forex Academy. Now this is actually the one I used, though I did not go through all the sections or the segments of the course, because a lot of things there were things I already knew, but I just had to, there was a few things that I actually wanted to understand that I focused on. So but if you are new to trading, or are new to trading forex in general, you should complete the entire course. Just be consistent and just try to digest whatsoever information you're going to get. So one other thing that made me to like this particular site is because there's a way they break down things in a visual way. Like in their videos, they do show you how this thing works, what they are trying to say, and they try to explain it using a kind of visual expression, so it will make it very easy for you to understand, instead of just reading it like the way you read like ebooks and articles online. So that's actually why I prefer the FX Academy if you want to learn how to trade forex. Now if you come to this learn to trade, you see that there are actually a lot of other things you can also learn from this site too, like for example about volatility, scalping. You can also learn about the Elliott wave breakouts, you know, trading with double Bollinger Band, and also one of my favorite, which is trading with price action. So these are some of, and also risk management as well. You can also learn about cryptocurrency. So there are a lot of things you can actually learn from this site. The only thing is that you have to you know, be intentional and also take it serious, because a lot of information some of these sites share, they're actually things you have to pay for out there. But if you are able to grasp the information they are going to give you, and also go over to YouTube channels and, you know, even in my channels, and see, you know, learn more about what you have been told or what you have been taught from the course on this site, you are definitely going to do very well in Forex. So remember, before you do anything, you have to register and you know, gain access to the course. And you can also sign up for practice accounts where you can test out the skills or that you've learned from the site, and see, okay, if you're actually you know, if you're actually doing very well. Though I do advise, if you want to sign up for a practice account or you need a demo account, just check the link below this video. You can sign up for either OctaFX or sign up for Exness, and you can create a demo account, download your MT4, MT5 app on your Android or your PC, your laptop, and, you know, use the demo account and apply some of the things that you're going to be learning from those sites, like the trading patterns and the whole rest of them. So guys, these two sites, babypips and FX Academy, these are the sites you can actually learn how to trade Forex for free. And, you know, you can always start from there, and gradually, gently, little by little, you keep improving and working on yourself. Guys, please make sure to subscribe to this video, subscribe to this channel, and also like this video. And do tell me what you think about the site. If you find value in this video, and if you've used this site and you want to drop some feedback, please do that in the comment section below this video. God bless, and do have a lovely day ahead. Thank you.